Well, I got called up to replace a stone. Now these stones down here are 4 or 5 inches thick. But when they were building the house, they put a plate in here, and then when they were putting a new siding on, it kind of showed. So I just replaced this stone. I'm going to show you how I did it. Let's look what's going on here. I put new siding on. See, they're up to there already. And down here, they had something that didn't jive. See that? So they asked me to come over here and put a stone in. I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. So I'm just going to clean up the sides a little bit so that mortar kind of matches in there. This ain't no big deal. See where it goes to. Well, it stops right there. I don't know what's under there. Nothing probably. This wood does here. Whatever. That's that. Alright. Now I got a piece of black paper. I'm gonna get it in there like this. Alright. And like this. Get a piece of black paper to cover all that. That's looking good. Then we're gonna get our wire up in there. Cut it with these. That. I'm sure we're not showing no wood. And put some tar nails in here to hold this. Like that. See the tar nails? So if you're really worried about, you know, water penetration, you can always caulk it. See that? Caulk it. Not really worried about it down here, but that's something you could do. Then you won't have to worry about all that stuff getting in there on the thing. And I walked around the property and I looked at a bunch of stones and they're just too thick. So I had to take it home and saw it. I'll show you how I did that. So I got this stone and I got to saw it so I could use it. So, okay, I cheated. I got out the power saw, but there's my stone. So now I could wash it off and go put it in. Now for this repair, I'm using this Fast Set repair mortar by Quick Read. It runs pretty good. It's not as fast as Rapid Set, but I don't want it to be that fast. So I'm going to put in here just what I need. That should be plenty. Get the water. Everything's there already. You don't have to add anything except the water. That's okay. So now I'm just going to get it in there. best I can. Can't find my little trowel. How come is that? I have to go crazy here. Use the little trowel. You know, every time I put something in my truck, then I go look for it. It ain't there for some reason. I'm gonna get up on top. Make sure there's no voids up there. So I got my stone. That's the back of it. Wet it up pretty good, like I always say. That's gonna go, let me see. We'll put it this way, like that. Then we're gonna just stick it in there like this. Shake it in until you see it oozing out on the sides. And that's it. Then we're gonna just go around the sides like this. It's starting to set already. Okay, we're gonna let that set a little bit, take a break, and come back in about 15 minutes. So with this fast stuff, yeah, it's still a little wet, but get in here with our finger, dig the old stuff out. Still a little wet. We want it to match. Wanted to match these joints. See that, the way they did it? So we're gonna brush it the way they did it. Like that. And then get our sponge. See with the water, and you wring it out. Go over the sides. See that? Matches just what they did. So before I go, I'm going to get a little water, come over here on the side, and get some mud, because we want to use the mud trick. I'm going to get some mud and put that in the water, stir that up, make ourselves some good old-fashioned mud, just like that. So we get the mud. You don't have to go crazy with it. We're just gonna paint over the top of it. That's gonna dirty that up enough so when it dries, it won't dry so bright and look like a patch job. You could see, you could have seen it there for a while. That's all. Let that dry. We'll come back and check it in a couple days and see how it looks. Well, that's it. A simple patch up. The cement matched pretty good. So thanks for watching. I'm Mike Haddock. Until next video.